Our outdoor dining set has cushions for the chairs, and before we were having to lug them inside the garage every time we wanted to use them. Wanted an outdoor solution where we could quickly take them out of the box, use them, and put them right back in storage. First impression, the resin box has kind of a rattan wooden feel. Those grooves are the reinforcement crossbars on the interior. One of our main goals is protection from water. I like that there are the lower valleys in the bottom of this should water accidentally get in, but I hope that it'll keep our cushions water resistant, waterproof. Messing around with it, it feels very sturdy, durable. I can't really move it or jiggle it. The hydraulic rod for the easy close and open and keeping it open seems to work well. I do say that you should close it and open it in the middle. It does have a little bit of wiggle and wobble when you go side to side, and I like that it can be locked should you want to add a lot. This is the 80-gallon one, 46 long, 23 high, 18 deep. It is storing our 8 chair cushions well, and we have some room to spare. The box arrived flat packed, well packaged. Instructions pictorial, took me about 15 minutes to follow, no issues there. All of the pieces were labeled to correspond with the instructions and the directional signs, so pretty difficult to mess that up. Each of the pieces were lightweight. I needed a mallet and a drill, but otherwise it was kind of like a big puzzle, just snapping the pieces together and away you go. I'm actually quite impressed with that hydraulic rod. It did have a lot of tension and did hold tight when it got set. Super easy to install. You just screw the screws into the lid and the side, and the handles on the side, super convenient. I was able to simply move it across the deck to its final resting place. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. Overall, very pleased with this one.